Hello, my name's Vicky Crossman and I'd like to show you my studio. Okay, we'll just scan around. Here we go. It's my printing press where I make all my mono prints. And if I scan out, I've got lots of books that I use for inspiration. The Provençals, Les Legales, prints. It's an old litter poster, mid-century. Get more books. I love this book by an artist called Faith Ringgold, who's fantastic. We scan round. More books. Children's print by Leonard Wiseguard. Another print I love by Sheila Robinson. More books on the shelf. Charlotte Solomon and Jacqueline Ayres. Then if we scan down, this is my plate I use for my colours on and my inks. And here we have the colours I like to use, and I have a collection of mono prints that I make. I scan into Photoshop. My drawing I do on the wall of my studio. If I come in further here, you can see the thumbnails I made for Queens, so I can work out the pace of how it is. You go closer on some, you can see ideas for Eleanor and Rossetti in there. Viking Queens, and above that Empress Theodora, and a monoprint for Convicts to the Crown. Then if we go further up on my shelf, I've got Edward Borden at the top there, and some more books. If I scan round, you can see out of my garden into the pond, which I look at. I hope you enjoyed looking at my studio, and I hope you enjoyed Queens. Thank you. Bye bye.